Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable step now. Make sure Docker Engine is installed, the daemon is running, and you can run Docker version. Next, authenticate with Docker Hub using Docker login so you have pull permissions. Enter your username, then password or token. Once done, identify the image you need by name and tag, for example repository, tag or repository at SHA-256, digest. Because explicit tags, avoid surprises when pulling latest or ambiguous tags. You now perform the pull and monitor what happens. Run Docker pull repository, tag and watch the layer progress. Each layer downloads and the client verifies checksums to ensure integrity. If you need a specific platform, include platform Linux/AMD64 so the correct architecture is fetched. After the command completes, make sure to run Docker images and Docker inspect repository, tag to confirm size, created date, and digest. This helps you understand what you pulled and why it matches your deployment constraints. You finish by preparing the image for use and knowing how to recover if things go wrong. Tag or retag locally with Docker tag source tag target tag when integrating with CI pipelines, and either Docker push to your registry or Docker save and Docker load for archive transfers. If a pull fails, check your network, confirm Docker login credentials, verify the exact image name and tag, and ensure the Docker daemon is running. Running Docker system info and retrying often resolves transient issues. Diagnose with error text for targeted fixes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.